Homeowners insurance is probably the single biggest thing that a person would insure other than their business. And most homeowners generally don't own businesses, they work places. So that is their biggest investment. And I think what people need to look at are, first and foremost, is the house insured to value? So, you exclude the lot, you can exclude the slab, but a lot of people want to diminish the value of their house because they don't want to pay for the insurance. But let's say you have a partial loss, tree falls on it, tornado strikes it, hurricane strikes it, big windstorm claim, or you have a small fire. And the cost to rebuild that house could be a lot more. And you may not be able to rebuild the house the way it is because building codes have changed. The materials, let's say you have a certain kind of floor and you have a partial claim, you can't replace that floor. So you've got to change the whole floor in the home now so that it matches. These all drive cost up. But you take a hurricane and demand surge suddenly sent those prices up 20, 30, 40%. Yes, there's laws to protect it, but let's be honest, it always happens. Everyone wants 2x4s in the middle of a hurricane. Can't get 2x4s, you can't get sheetrock. Carpet becomes a problem. So insuring your home to value is probably the single biggest thing that we see homeowners don't do, yet it's their single biggest asset. A lot of people are accustomed to think that they have to have a 2% wind deductible or they have to have a 5% wind and hail deductible. And that's not always the case because a lot of companies will have buy downs or they'll offer flat deductibles in lieu of percentage deductibles. So you take a $300,000 house with a 5% deductible, that's a $15,000 deductible on that roof if the roof gets blown away or has hail damage. Where if you get a flat $2,500 deductible, you're talking about a $13,000 difference. A lot of young people don't have $13,000. It's for their school, for their child's school, or what other expenses they have as young couples. They don't have that kind of money. So did we as insurance people really counsel them to understand that they have a difference? So maybe you pay a little bit more, but over how many years does it take? Because about every 6 or 7 years, we're going to have a major hurricane. So you're going to have roof damage. So I think those are things that people need to look at.